fighter jet is one of the main defense equipment that seems to be mandatory for every country in the world. There are several countries that have jet fighters with capable sophistication. One of these countries is Russia. On the outside, Russia has the flagship Su-57 fighter jet. The Su-57 fighter jet is a fifth-generation Russian-made fighter jet. This fighter jet is designed to be multi-role, which can destroy all types of targets, from air, land, to sea. The Su-57 is a twin-engine, single-seat aircraft and has a high degree of transparency for foreign military hardware. The Su-57 is powered by the twin Saturn AL-41F1 engines, producing 35,000 pounds of power. The use of the Saturn AL-41F1 twin engine can make the Su-57 go at speeds of Mach 2 without using afterburners. This fighter jet features stealth technology with the use of special composite materials. In addition, it can also develop supersonic cruising speed. The Su-57 fighter jet adopts a space that is placed inside the fighter jet body. This fighter jet excels in speed, cruising altitude, sensors, missile transport, engagement. Mass production of the upgraded version of the Su-57 will begin. Launching aerocorner.com. The price of this Su-57 fighter jet reached $42 million in 2019. This war machine has become one of Russia's mainstays in various battlefields around the world.